I'm Miles Pitt, one of the directors at Hotel Sorrento in lovely Sorrento. So Hotel Sorrento was the first established business in Sorrento, which was in 1872. So the family have had the hotel for 45 years. Since then, we've really developed the site. Currently, we have multiple restaurants, 8 bars, 58 accommodation suites, conference areas, and a lovely outdoor pool. And we feel that the precinct, now that it's developed, has an offering for everyone, from a date night to relaxing around the pool to having a celebration on our rooftop. It's such an amazing food bowl down here, and we're so fortunate to be able to tap into the local connections that we've built over 45 years. And for us to go to the mussel farm and then feature them on our menu, it's something we're so passionate and proud about. We love the peninsula because there's so many opportunities and there's so many amazing businesses out there, and we would love anyone to reach out and get in touch, because if everyone connects with each other, the tide rises and we all win. If you are out there and you want to reach out, please do, because we're open to all opportunities and we want to keep growing.